What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, loves? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. Today, guys, I hope y'all getting into this Nubian realness I'm serving. What y'all think, girl? I'm feeling kind of festive and young tonight. Well, I guess it's 5 o'clock. Yeah, I'm feeling kind of festive this evening. So we did a little updo, girl. I'm loving it. But I'm not going to keep y'all long. No, I'm telling y'all. Today, guys, we have Boxycharm's base box to unbox. So if you're interested in seeing what we got in June's box, babe, don't move. It's coming soon. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Y'all know it's free, right? All right, loves, welcome. As I said in the intro, I'm Tonyanicole, and today we're going to be doing Boxycharm for the month of June. This will not be a long video at all, my loves. Before we get started, we're going to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I greatly appreciate you all. We have a little cocktail tonight. This is vodka and Sprite. Somebody told me about this. I'm going to try it tonight and see. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Oh, God, girl. Ooh, it's a little strong. So, I'm sorry, y'all. So, I have not watched any of Boxycharm's unboxings yet because I like to be surprised in seeing what I got. I do pay for this box with my own money, guys, so it's not gifted to me. And y'all know, regardless if it is or isn't, I'm going to be completely honest. So, let's get some specs on this box really quick and unbox her. So this one is the base box. This one is $25 per month. You're supposed to get 5 full-size products in this box, and it's supposed to have a value of around $175. I do have a link down below, guys. If you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, just click it, check them out, and go from there. I did get an email earlier this week that said that they sent over a duplicate product, so I'm not sure if it's in this box or my premium, which I got another email saying they're going to be late with. So, yeah. I will put the weight of my box towards the end of the video with the variation and all of that good stuff. So we've done enough talking. Let's get the box cut up and get this party started. Hey, ooh. I hope y'all ready, babe, because I'm in a great mood. Oh, let me drink. Let's slice this baby open. So when we open her up, the red box normally symbolizes the base box, and we do get a little card. I gave y'all a little sneak peek, but I'm not gonna let y'all see what's in the box because we want to be surprised, right? Yeah, boo. So this is our little card for the month. The theme is Dare to Dazzle. On the back, they give us all of the products we receive with prices and descriptions and variations. I will put that towards the end of the video. So the first thing I'm seeing is my choice item. And I don't remember, I think they were, I don't remember what choice was it. But anyway, this is my first product, and this is the Basic Beat eyeshadow palette. And I did choose this palette. And it is from, let me get my card because I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so this is from Maven Beauty. Is that right? Yes. This is the Cosmic Drip eyeshadow palette right here. I did choose this one. I'm excited. I think it was a lot of shimmer shades, if I'm not mistaken. The packaging is beautiful. And let's pull this out. Oh, girl, yes. Look at that, y'all. Like, that is gorgeous. It just screams Tonyanicole. It is 4 shades right here. Let me read up about it on this little card. Manifest and other worldly drip worthy. Girl, worldly drip worthy? Of a cosmic babe. These bite-sized eyeshadow palettes are packed with high-intensity jewel tones and sparkly, smoky metallics. This retails for $23, and I am going to swatch it. This actually reminds me of, is it Nabla? That brand. Their eyeshadow palettes, and I love that they're shimmery. I love, ooh, they're so pretty. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. So this is our first product. This one is $23. Next up, we have from Jekka Black, and this is a Hydrate Primer. All right, it's a hydrating face primer right there. And in here, you get 20 milliliters of product. Let's take it out. I love a primer. I am oily combination, so I do like more of a mattifying primer, but I'm into hydrating stuff now. It's like in this little squeezy tube, my loves, which I do love. It makes it so easy to travel with. So let's read up about this baby here. And it says, finally, a moisturizer that'll help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. This retails for $20. And let's see if it has a safety seal. It does. I will not open this, but I think I'm going to use this. If I don't like it, I'll just pass it on to like my mom or someone with drier skin. I'm not mad with a primer. I love a primer, and it's summertime, so you know you need that good base, boo. All right, next up we have from True and Luscious. This is a plumping lip and eye serum. I apologize for the glares, guys. It is nighttime, and I'm filming with my lights, and it is like boom, boom, boom. All right, let's see, y'all. Ooh, girl, it looks like a syringe. What? This is so cute. It's like a syringe, guys. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Let me see what this little baby about, boo, because I like the packaging. All right, so this is a flower dose lip and eye serum. It's a supercharged treatment serum and primer for your lips and eyes, designed to be used alone or as a nourishing base for your makeup. It is infused with hyaluronic acid and a blend of botanicals, including orchid stem cells, rose, and passion fruit extracts that help visibly reduce fine lines and improve elasticity. I always struggle with that, y'all know. This retails for 34 bucks, and it's a plumping lip and eye serum. Y'all, the packaging is like, what? Like, it says nerves, right? Yeah. All right, so it has like a little pump here that you would press like this, I'm assuming, to get the product out. I don't know. Oh, okay. Well, it comes out apparently. And let's see if I could get it. Do you have... Oh, girl. This is going to be a 15-hour session here. So you have to twist the bottom so that you can like kind of let the product out. And it's just like this little clear gel right there. Doesn't have a scent, but it's just like a little eye serum. Okay, so even though I probably would not purchase this if I saw it in the box, I like the packaging, so I'm kind of feeling this. And it's vegan and cruelty free, y'all, so I'm kind of happy with this, I guess. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think, but I am happy to see this. And like I said, this is $34, my loves. So next up we have from Glam Glow, and this is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser right here. This is a huge box, and in here you get 150 grams of product. I do love Glam Glow. Their products are amazing. This is pore refining, and look how big this bottle is, y'all. Like, look at that. It's like, you know, pretty big. So I'm happy with this. This is 5 ounces. Let's read up about this one. And it says Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. It's an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify their skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. And this retails for $32. I know this have like a safety seal, so I won't open it, but I am excited for getting a cleanser. I do love cleansers, and they are pretty pricey. So to get them in a box, like, I'm happy with it. And the base box, it's a lot of skincare, but you know, I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel in a little bit. Let me take a drink. The last product up is a palette. Okay, so this is Give Them Lala Beauty. Is that Beyonce on the front or Lala Anthony? Who is this? I don't know who Lala is, but this is what it looks like, my loves, right here. This is called the Grown Woman Palette. Okay, boo, only for the grown women, baby. I'm excited to see what the Grown Woman palette looks like. I love that it's white. Now, the problem with this is you know, being a dark-skinned female, I wear makeup that's dark. So if I'm touching on this, it will get dirty, but I do love the packaging. It is nice and sleek. It's cardboard-like. When we open, oh, girl, we get a mirror. Hey, girl. All right, guys, so we get a little plastic over it. I have never heard of this brand, but look at this palette. Like, the shades are huge. The pans are so big. The colors are so vibrant. This is right up my alley. You have a pop of color right here in the middle, all of the browns and the like coppers. You have some matte tones, some shimmer shades. This is a gorgeous palette, and yes, I will swatch it because, oh, they feel so nice. That's how they look. Let me quickly swatch it. Okay, not bad, not bad at all. I am happy about this palette. Let me see what it retails for. It says, say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy sunset colored mattes and foiled shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery, soft, and silky to touch, which they do. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glide across the eyelid for long-lasting, jaw-dropping looks every time. Whoa, bid, it's $42 though. Oh, wow. I mean, they're pretty. I don't know if I'll pay $42, but it is a beautiful palette. Okay. Let me know if y'all heard of this brand before, because I haven't, but I like that the pans are huge. I love that. Alrighty, guys. So that was our final product in this month's Boxycharm for June 2021. Y'all, the months are flying by. Like, it is insane. So we're gonna do a quick recap. I'm gonna do some final thoughts, give you a variation in prices and all that good stuff now. So we received this palette right here, the Grown Woman palette. From True and Luscious, this Flower Dose Lip and Eye Serum. From Glam Glow, this Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser here. From Jekka Black, this Hydrating Primer. And from Maven Beauty, this Cosmic Drip Eyeshadow Palette right here. So these 5 products right here, my loves. My box total was $151, which is a little bit under the value. I think it's $175. I'm gonna double check that and make sure. My variation number, guys, is C2106054-BA. Okay, let me drink. Final thoughts on this box. I'm kind of on the fence. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm leaning more toward I really like it. I love the fact that I got 2 palettes with beautiful shades in them. I do love that. I do love that they gave me this plumping lip and eye serum. I think I like it more because it's shaped like a syringe, but probably won't get a lot of use out of this, honestly. I'll put it in my fridge though. I like the primer and I love the Glam Glow product. So actually, I think it was a pretty decent box for the base box. It being $151, like I said, I think the value is supposed to be around $175, but I'm not actually mad about it because I'm very excited to use these palettes. And I thought it was pretty decent. I love getting cleansers and primers. I will try every product out. So I am like, I think I like it, y'all. Yeah. So if I had to rate it, guys, on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn forest. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to give Boxycharm for the month of June a whopping 3.5 to 4, maybe. Well, 3.5. Yeah, we'll go there. I enjoyed it. Let me know, guys, what you think in the comments. Let me know your variation and what you got. Let me know if you're excited for the ABH and Boxycharm premium box, the takeover box next month. I am very, very, very excited. I am low-key praying that they still give me my setting powder in my shade so I can really be so happy. I will be doing a try on with that video depending on the products that I get. And yes, loves, that's all that I have. Make sure y'all let me know how y'all feeling my little look today. My nails, boo. I haven't been posting on my nail channel in a while because I have been like having some serious little pain issues, guys, with my little sciatic nerve. So it hasn't been good. There was an alligator in my yard. Today I'm filming this on June 19th. And it had like this rain cyclone type thing, big alligator in my yard again. So I have been like under stress, y'all. So please excuse me for not answering comments and getting back to you guys quickly, but I promise I will work on that. And that's all I have, my loves. If you have not done so, please subscribe to our channel, be a part of my family, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. If not, still thumbs it up. Thank you, boo. Don't forget to share, like, tell your friends, all of that good stuff, family. And I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Please stay safe, be blessed, and stay loved, guys. Mwah!